How do you invest in the AI boom? Well, one option involves companies that have very little to do with AI. Sound strange? Let's explain in this week's Market Moves. All right, it's no secret there's been a battle among the biggest tech companies to dominate the AI landscape. That race has led to massive data center buildouts. Just how massive? Well, Moody's Ratings estimates that at least $3 trillion US will flow into data center related investments over the next 5 years. And in the fourth quarter of 2025 alone, major US tech firms, including Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet, Oracle, Meta, and CoreWeave invested $700 billion US on data centers. It's a lot of money, and it has some investors wondering whether betting on big tech is really the best way to play the AI boom. Now, one of the poster children for the mega spend uncertainty is Oracle, a company that built its name on databases that has now gone all in on data centers and AI infrastructure. Oracle shares initially surged on the company's transition, only to lose momentum when Wall Street began to question whether the spending would pay off. In fact, we covered Oracle in a recent episode of Ticker Take. Our guest Thomas Martin, Senior Portfolio Manager at Buildout Investments, told me he thinks it will work out for Oracle. And you should check out that episode on the Ticker Take YouTube channel. But it does raise a key question. If you want to invest in the data center boom, but not necessarily through big tech, where do you look? Well, all of that data center spending is fueling demand somewhere else, and that somewhere else is power. Nuclear offers a source of low emissions baseload electricity that can support a more secure and diversified electricity mix. And uranium, the fuel behind it, is getting renewed attention. So how can investors gain exposure to the theme? Well, there are a few ways. The Global Uranium Index ETF, ticker HURA, provides exposure to companies primarily involved in uranium mining and exploration, as well as exposure to the price of the underlying commodity. For investors looking for broader exposure, the Global X Artificial Intelligence Infrastructure Index ETF, ticker MTRX, provides exposure to companies involved in AI infrastructure, including electric utilities, data center equipment manufacturing, and energy commodities like uranium and copper, all aligned with themes related to long-term growth in AI's backbone. Now, for more on this topic and perspectives on the entire investing landscape, be sure to check out the Insights section of globalx.ca. That's it for Market Moves. What market moves are you watching? Let us know in the comments and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next investing video.